In front of me is ZTE Blade V50, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Start by opening settings and scrolling down to access sound and vibration. Following that, you can tap on vibrate right away at the top, and this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. When you finished, scroll down, click on switch to silent, vibrate, and to set up vibrate, click on it. This way, when you press the power button and volume up button together, your phone will automatically switch to vibrate mode. Now scroll down again and click on those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and touch vibration to turn on or off those options. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!